Hi, welcome back vtechs. I hope our videos helpful for you. So, please consider subscribing us and press the bell icon. In this video, we will share how you can create and use your own avatars on Instagram stories and DMs. With this feature, you can create and share personalized avatars of yourself on the platform. Don't wasting your time, let's get start today's video. This is what are you having to see at the end of this video. Instagram's avatar feature lets you create and share Bitmoji, like stickers to represent yourself on the platform. Also, you have the option to customize your avatar and make it resemble you. After setting up your avatar, you can choose to use them on your stories and DMs with friends. Now let's see how to create this. Open your Instagram profile from the bottom navigation bar and tap the hamburger menu at the top right corner. From the pop-up menu, choose Settings to access Instagram settings page. Now, tap on Account and choose Avatar to set up your Instagram avatar. Now you get an editor interface similar to Bitmoji to customize your avatar. Here, you can tweak the skin tone, hair, face, eye, eyebrow, eyewear, nose, mouth, facial hair, body, outfit, headwear, ear piercings, and even add hearing devices to the avatar. Instagram also offers you a variety of templates to start with, and then you can customize the avatar more easily. Best thing is, you can customize it according to your needs. So explore yourself in those features. Before going into the next step, you can follow us on Instagram to get the latest tech tips and tricks. After customizing the avatar, press Done at the top right and choose Save Changes to preserve the changes made to your avatar. Now we are going final step of this video. Share your Instagram avatar on stories and DMs. Let's check how you can do. First, how you can share your Instagram avatar on stories. Open the story creation UI and tap the sticker icon at the top right corner. From the list of stickers, choose Avatar to access your avatar. You can customize once again here and save changes. Now you will see stickers generated based on your avatar. Place the sticker on your image and tap the Your Story button to add the image to your Instagram story. Now take a look how you can use those avatars on DM. It's simple. Open the chat window, tap plus icon on the bottom. Then you can see sticker icon in the text box at the right corner, and choose avatar to view emojis based on your avatar. Choose the sticker you wish to send, and that's it. The recipient will receive your avatar as a message, adding a personal touch to your conversations. That's it. I hope this video helpful for you. We will meet next one. Goodbye.